Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you build a pro website in seconds, how to use Durable AI. So all you have to do is just open the AI via website, via your browser, durable.co. So you will be directly into Durable websites, AI that builds a website for you. So you can generate your website, start for free, no credit card required, get your business online in seconds, find customers in minutes, save hours manual work every week. So let's start. Generate your website here. For example, what type of business are you building? So I want to build a business that a sorry, let's try this one. Travel agency. Next, your located business, I want to use Dubai. Next, enter your business name, a Dubai Sky Travel, and generate website. So you have to wait. Your website is being generated. So your website is ready. So you can edit the section here. You can explore, relax, and immerse yourself in new culture with bespoke travel. So to customize this website, you have to sign in. Here the short brief, using our services. So you can build your website, build your company, start from a Durable AI. So feel free to try build your company website. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.